Good day everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about machine design problem. So first problem, determine the torque that causes a maximum shear stress of 70 MPa in the steel cylindrical shaft show. So this is the diagram having a radius of 18 mm. So these are the following givens. 18 mm, then let us convert to meter. We can multiply it by 1 meter over 1,000 to cancel out the mm. Next given is the torque max, which is 70 MPa, and we can convert it into 70 times 10 to the power of 6 Pascal. So the diameter, we just multiply the radius into 2 to get the answer of 0.026 meter. So this is the formula. P max is equal to TR over J, and J here is the polar moment of inertia, having the formula of 5 times d to the power over 32. So let's substitute the value. T max here is 70 times 10 to the 6 Pascal is equal to torque times 0.0818 meter over 5 times 0.036 meter raised to the power over 32, and you can get that torque, which is 641.26 Newton meter. For number 2, same figure in number 1. For the cylindrical shaft shown, determine the maximum stress caused by a torque of 800 Newton meter. So the given of radius is just the same as diameter, but one given here is torque, which is 800 Newton per meter. So the same formula, E max is equal to TR over J, which is polar moment of inertia. So let's substitute the value. 800 times 0.18 over 5 times 0.036 raised to the power over 32, and the T max here is 87.35 MPa.